Julia, got the hair. I never expected the hair to look just like this. Look at the bone straight, very, very silky. You know, the first time I met her, I was like, how can someone be so patient to reply to your messages? I was very, very happy because she not just answer you, but she's very calm. Most times I'm sending orders to her, please can I get the calculation, the invoice, and she goes, okay dear. That's the only thing, and she never gets upset. Thank you so much, Julia, and I hope many persons will patronize here. Love you.